Peripheral neuropathy is one of the most misunderstood conditions in modern medicine. If you're dealing with nerve pain, tingling, numbness, burning, or nerve damage, I want you to know something right up front. Your nerves are damaged, but they're not dead. And today, I'm going to show you the 5 most powerful foods your nerves need to repair, regenerate, and heal. Welcome back, Health Warriors. Dr. C here. When someone is dealing with peripheral neuropathy or nerve damage, I want you to understand something very clearly. This is not a time for junk food, processed foods, or I'll wing it attitude with your diet. Nerves are some of the most demanding tissues in the entire body. They are metabolically expensive. They require significant protein and specific raw materials from your diet that carbs in a box won't provide you. So if I had to narrow the entire food universe down to just 5 cornerstone foods that truly support nerve repair, regeneration, and nerve healing, these are the top 5 in order of importance. Number 1, this is the foundational stone. Wild-caught fatty fish, especially salmon, sardines, and Atlantic mackerel. If I could only pick one food for someone with neuropathy, this would be it. Because your nerves are insulated with myelin, a protective casing that ensures fast nerve signaling. Omega-3 fatty acids, DHA, and EPA found in these fish are the structural components for healthy myelin. These fats reduce neuroinflammation, they calm overactive signaling, improve nerve signal transmission, and directly support axonal regeneration. So in simple terms, fatty fish helps rebuild the wiring, the insulation, and signal quality of your nerves. All right, on to number 2, pasture-raised whole eggs. Now, eggs are one of the most underestimated nerve foods on the planet. The yolk provides choline, which is essential for fatty myelin. They also give you B12, B6, folate, methionine, and sulfur, all critical for methylation and nerve signaling. And yes, they do provide cholesterol, and it's not the enemy. It is literally part of the nerve cell membrane. If you want to learn more, make sure to check out our detailed video on the humble yet powerful egg for healing. And number 3, and this is a big one, grass-fed beef, including organ meats and bone broth. This is your mitochondrial power source on steroids. Peripheral neuropathy is almost always, at its core, a mitochondrial problem. Nerves demand massive energy to repair. Grass-fed beef, muscle, and organ meat delivers the heme iron, zinc, B12, carnosine, creatine, and CoQ10 to help fuel ATP production inside the nerve cell. But when you add organ meats, you take this to a whole new level. Organ meats are true superfoods that flood your nerves with the concentrated cofactors that they need. Now, you might be thinking, liver, gross. And if that's you, don't worry. There's a very easy way to sneak this organ meat into your diet without seeing or even tasting it. One of the easiest ways is to grind a small amount of liver, heart, or kidney into grass-fed ground beef. Even a 10 to 20% ratio mixed into burgers, meatballs, tacos, or meatloaf is enough to give you huge benefits. And once it's cooked, you literally can't taste it. You can also finely chop organ meat and stir it into chili, soups, stews, or bone broth. The spices and flavors completely mask it. Now, if you truly can't do organ meats right now, high-quality desiccated liver capsules are a great solution. Zero taste with all the benefits. And don't underestimate the value of bone broth. It provides the exact building materials needed to rebuild connective tissue, nerve sheaths, and allows nerves to regenerate. You can sip it like a warm, savory tea or use it as a base for soups. Okay, on to number 4. Dark leafy greens like spinach, chard, kale, arugula, and beet greens. These provide magnesium, folate, vitamin C, vitamin K, and powerful polyphenols. Magnesium is particularly important because it calms overexcited nerves that contribute to burning, tingling, and pain. Leafy greens also support nitric oxide production and microcirculation. This is critical, so make sure you watch our videos on nitric oxide. These greens help create the calm, well-oxygenated environment that regeneration requires. And number 5, berries. Blueberries, blackberries, and raspberries provide neuronal protection. Their anthocyanins and polyphenols cross the blood-brain barriers to reduce neural inflammation and protect mitochondria and shield nerves from oxidative damage. Although they don't rebuild nerves directly, they protect and maintain the healing process. Now, I want you to notice something here. It's no accident that this list is protein and fat dominant. Nerve repair is structural and a metabolic process, not an empty calorie process. Nerves need fat for myelin, cholesterol for membranes, and amino acids for structure, B vitamins for signaling, and mitochondrial fuel for regeneration. This is why fish, eggs, and beef rise to the top. If someone's not improving, I almost always find a problem of one of 4 things. They're either under-eating protein, they're afraid of fat, or they might be avoiding animal foods. Or sometimes they're living on foods that might be disguised as healthy, but in reality are nutrient deficient, nutrient depleted, nutrient dead, and lack the building blocks necessary for real nerve repair. Realize this, nerve healing is a demanding process. It's not something the body can do on highly processed food that lacks real fuel for regeneration. Now, if you're watching this and thinking, I eat all 5 of these foods, I follow a healthy diet, and I still have neuropathy, then you must watch our video on why your nerves refuse to heal. In that video, we explain the critical difference between primary actions, the things that actually directly influence nerve repair, and the secondary factors that simply support the healing process. When those get confused or only partially implemented, it can leave you frustrated and wondering why your nerves aren't improving. True healing requires addressing the full picture. We'll leave a link to that video. Health Warriors, I want to leave you with this. Your body was designed to heal, your nerves were designed to repair, and your nervous system is far more intelligent than you've been led to believe. Neuropathy does not mean your body has permanently failed, it means your body is asking for better tools. And now you know what those tools are. You don't need perfection, you need nourishment and the right raw materials. When you give your nerves the raw tools they've been demanded to rebuild and regenerate, the body remembers how to heal. I look forward to seeing you on the road to great nerve health. They are metabolically.
They're demanding.
So stop the video. Or they're living on foods that might be disguised as healthy, but in reality.
Oh.